Hi everybody, welcome. Elizabeth here with Country Peony and welcome to the Country Peony studio. Let me show you around. Welcome to the Country Peony studio, which is going to be a wonderful space where I create for the blog, but I also invite people over for custom workshops and just for really fun creative events. So we're going to start here in the corner. I have already purchased a beautiful mantle all the way from Round Top that came from New Orleans. And it's going to go here for staging purposes. And then I've got some fun vintage chairs and some vintage rugs that I'm going to put here as a place to inspire conversation and inspiration. And then let me show you one of my favorite pieces in this entire studio. This is an old oak notary cabinet all the way from France. And so when I was creating or designing this space, I was super inspired by Parisian design. And so it just makes me so happy to have a space here all the way from France. And what I have envisioned for this piece is to fill it with beautiful yarns and paints and paintbrushes, just gorgeous crafting supplies that I use on a daily basis. And down here, I make a lot of fun wreaths, and so I plan to store my wreaths down here as well. So this piece is going to get a lot of use, and I just think it's so beautiful. And this is going to be where I create most of my things. This is my fun crafting table. It will allow me to create things for the blog and for different brands, and then for us to have workshops. And underneath, we've added some fun outlets so that I can use my sewing machine, my hot glue guns, and whatever. Then we're going to head over here to the kitchenette area, which is still under construction. We are waiting on the plumbers and some other things to finish. But you can see we've got a beautiful starting point. I'm going to add some fun, beautiful brass hardware here. I've got a really sweet vintage-inspired light from Anthropology. And then on either corner, we're going to have a fridge, a colorful fridge, and then a fun stove over here. The only thing we're waiting on also in this area is my vintage pink sink. We moved into our farmhouse before we renovated it. It had this amazing washboard vintage sink. And we couldn't use it in the renovation for our farmhouse, but we decided to hold on to it, and I'm so glad that we did, because we had it renovated to this amazing blush pink color, which is the signature Country Peony color. And so this is going to go in the kitchenette, and it just makes me so incredibly happy. When I was designing this space, I really wanted an open and airy feeling, just something that would inspire creativity and inspiration. And the very first piece that we purchased when we were building this space was these adorable and fantastic chandeliers. And I think they really bring so much charm and whimsy to the space and beautiful feminine detail, which is really what I'm after in here. Now let me show you one of my favorite spots in the entire studio. It's my bathroom. So since everything is so white and open, perfect for taking pictures and videos, I wanted the bathroom to scream personality and color and charm. And it's a really small space, but I think it brings major drama and personality. So I started off with the inspiration being this Lily Wallace wallpaper, and I used the color of the flowers to bring the peachy pink color in the wainscoting. And then I thought these lights were so whimsical and so feminine, which is what I think this bathroom is. I also brought in a complimentary light up here, and then the beautiful tin ceiling really plays it off really well. And then finishing off, I think the crown jewel of this bathroom is this amazing custom tile. I was super inspired by flowers in the wallpaper, and so I enlisted the help of my oldest brother, Joe, who really brought my vision to life, and I just love it so much. So thank you so much for following along today, guys. I will continue to update you as the renovation of the Country Peony studio comes along. And thank you for being here, and until next time, happy crafting.